Hi guys, today I'm going to unbox drone. It's camera drone. Now let's open it. Oh, it's pen drive. If we go up or anywhere, then we should press the record button. Then it is stored in this pen drive. See, just this one is there. Do like this. It will come. And the two extra wings, very large wings. I do not know how much big will be the drone. Oh, these two manuals. And its battery. It actually have two batteries, I think so. The remote and the drone. I think drone have this big battery. Let's see. This is remote battery. See. Now I am keeping this side. Yo, the screwdriver. It has in school. Oh, at last the remote. See how large it is. We can open here, then we can see, and this is switch on and switch off, like this. Whoa, awesome! And the drone. The drone. Ha! I just can't believe it. It's very, and it has the camera, and this is the battery. I told you it will be this size, and we should fit it here inside this. Now let's test it. Now I'm going to on it. See, let's see how does it works. So guys, now let's test it. Now I'm going to on it. Here, let's fix it. See this, and I fixed it. Now I'm keeping the battery inside. Somebody's crying. Now I'm going to on it. See the on button over here. It's on. Now I'm going to on this. See, and see. Oh, right now. See, guys. Can you see this? You can see this and go forward. Nice. See, it's going forward. Whoa, guys. I really do not know how to control, but this is very crazy. Whoa, guys, this was very awesome. Whoa. Let's do it. See, guys, you can see over here, right? See. Whoa! Hey, guys. See, Oh, it was almost going to crash. Whoa, alright. This is so crazy. I never saw like this kind of drone in my life. See guys, it's showing the camera. See, oh. Whoa! I think I'm going to crash. Oh, like that. We can see it. I'm moving. Uh-oh. Oh, guys. This kind of drone is warning to buy. Here. Whoa! So guys, if you like my video, like, share and comment. Thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe my bell icon and thank you for watching my video.